Step into the world of elite fashion with Agnes Wade's exclusive Professional Runway Training Masterclass. Held in a stunning London studio on March 29th, this immersive experience goes far beyond mastering a walk. It is designed to transform you into a commanding, unforgettable presence on any runway. Whether you are an aspiring model building strong foundations or an established professional seeking refinement, Agnes Wade, renowned for her impact and authenticity within the fashion industry, will guide you through the art of runway communication. You will explore posture, gait, facial expression, and presence, learning how to embody a designer's vision, connect with the audience and camera, and move with confidence across diverse runway environments. This masterclass features hands-on practical exercises, personalized one-on-one feedback from Agnes herself, and insightful video analysis to refine and elevate your unique runway identity. Beyond performance, you'll gain invaluable insight into the business of modeling, including professional etiquette, industry expectations, and portfolio development. More than a technical workshop, this experience is about cultivating mental resilience, self-awareness, and confidence, empowering you to overcome nerves and truly own the runway with intention and control. This is your opportunity to elevate your walk, your presence, and your career. Join Agnes Wade's Professional Runway Training Masterclass in London on March 29th. Spaces are limited. Secure your place and step fully into your potential.